Hi, welcome to VeinHost. I just bought a hosting from VeinHost.com and now going to buy a domain, that too in very cheap price. So let's go. Click on search domains and search here your domain like start web and click on search. Startweb.com is already taken, so click on view all suggestion and search again here start web. See here more suggestions given in this list and click more and then more, and here I type RK5 web and search here because I want .com. See this 799 INR. Click add to cart and check out. Here 3 products is absolutely free, so tick all theirs and click to continue and click checkout. Fill your full details here and passwords and click INR, wallet, credit and debit card payment gateway, and you can also choose QR pay and tick terms of service and click then complete order and pay for your domain. After paying and completing order, you can see here one domain is your client area. Thanks for watching video.